welcome back. In this video I'm going to show how to transfer and how to copy some files from your computer to your instance in AWS. I have created the instance, and as you can see it's in a running status, and if we go to connect, we see that here are the instructions how to do an SSH connection, and here is even the name of my private key that allows the connection with this instance. The private key that I have, it's saved in downloads, is somewhere here, this one. So the location of that file is in downloads, and I'm gonna use the PowerShell as a terminal to start doing copy and paste different one file that is in a downloads. The file is the Docker file is from documents in my computer, and I'm gonna save in my instance. I have prepared a notepad with some of the steps how to upload and download the file in AWS instance, and I'm going to start to perform and to show how to do it step by step. First, we always have to make sure that the instance that I'm going to transfer, that I'm going to do the uploading and downloading is in a running status. And open a terminal, and let's go to downloads, where my private key, this one that allows the connection with instance, is located. And I'm going to run the first command here that's going to allow SFTP, that's going to allow the upload and the download of the file. So is S, let's copy, I have already prepared. If we go to our instance and we click to the instance, this is the public IP that I'm going to use here. Ubuntu is the username, and this one is the name of the VM, the private file that allows the connection with the instance in AWS. I'm going to run it, and as you can see, it's connected. And now we're gonna give to put, it means to upload a file from my computer to the instance. So here is the full address of my file that I want to upload, and is in documents, this one here, Docker file. And the full address of that file is written here, and this is the address in my Ubuntu instance that I'm gonna save my file. So let's go here, we copy, we run it, and as you can see, it says that it is uploaded. Let's exit this, and let's try to connect with the instance. And here are steps. Let's try to connect with the instance, and let's see. That is the SSH command that's going to allow me to connect with. And as you can see, the connection is done, is performed. And we can do an ls and see that the Docker file is already uploaded in my Ubuntu instance. To understand the directory, we do a pwd, and that is the directory where I saved my file. So as you can see, now I connected. I located my terminals where my Ubuntu PM, the private key file, is located, and does a connection with SFTP, and I use the IP and the username of my instance, and when it's connected, I use port. This is to upload. I use the full path of the file that is in my computer, and also I use the path of my instance that in this case is here. So now my file is copy paste from this location to this location. Let's exit from the connection and let's try to download the file. So we do the connection with SFTP and it's connected, and the command to download is get. So in this case, I'm gonna save in my desktop. I go here and I have get home Ubuntu Dockerfile .txt is the full address or the full path of my file in Ubuntu instance, and the full path of the location in my local machine where I want this file to be saved. I run it and it says that it's finished. So I exit and I can check in my desktop, and here it is, the Docker file that is saved. And as you can see, it gives even the creation, the date when it's created, and is the same with today and this date that we are talking about. So this is one way how you can transfer files from your local machine to your instances. And we go back to the connection. And we can remove the file. Docker file. And we close the connection. And the file is gone. We closed this terminal. We go to the instance. We click it. And we stop it. As you can see, you get even a message that you will not charge for data transfer fee. It will be billed for location, so you have to check this kind of information. And we close it. So this is how we can transfer information from our local machine to our instance.